Are you ready to work your abs and get abs like this with this insane abs? So let's go. How you guys feeling today? Alright, focus on the core now. Keep the abs tight throughout the workout. Really focus on breathing, and when we jump, land softly. 3, 2, 1, jog it out right here. Jog it out. Everybody take your hands, put it on your stomach, and I really want you to contract the whole time through this workout and focus. Alright, start to jog it out. Relax the hands, push through, keep breathing, but keep the core nice and tight. Are we good, guys? 10 more seconds here, 10 more seconds here. Then we're going to the high knees, but we're going to do high knees nice and slow and controlled. Okay, guys? 3, 2, 1, knees up, lift. See how I'm slow and in control? I'm breathing, but my core is tight. Put your hand right here if you can. Contract the core. Keep pushing, keep moving, and lift with the lower abs. Keep pushing through. 10 seconds left here. Focus. Really gotta focus. 3, 2, start to add elbows in for your obliques here. And breathe through it. Keep going. Really lift the hips. Really contract the lower abs. Bring the elbows down. Come on, guys. 8 seconds left. 5, 4, 3, 2, and shake it out. Alright. Good. Now we're going into our first jump exercise, okay? Make sure you start low, then jump. Okay, you want to jump from below, using the lower abs to jump. First move is a tuck jump. Watch how I do it. I start low, my hands are back, I jump up, bring my knees to my hands, using the lower abs. Are we ready? Here we go. 3, 2, 1, jump. Hold it, land soft. Go. I'm going to go over here and tie it now. Go. And again. Just pull those knees up. Follow us. Up. Contract. Up. How you feeling? Go. Come on. 4 more. Up. Up. 2 more. Up. 1 more. Lift. How you do? Feeling good. All right. Here we go. Now the next move is power jumps. Now we're not going for reps. We're going for safety, and we're going to work those abs, okay? Watch how I do it. Again, I start down, jump. Knees to hands. Feet and hands are wide, okay? Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Go, jump. And jump. Really focus, jump. Good job, Ariel, jump. Jump. Knees to hands, contract. Jump. How you feeling? Jump. Keep going. Jump. Full contract. Land softly. Keep moving. Exhale as you lift. And focus on the core. Keep the back flat. 2 more. And 1 more time. Alright guys, good job. Okay. Now here we go. The next exercise is C-kicks, okay? You start here, you're alternating kicks out. You keep the legs straight from the bottom. Boom. Boom. They just need to come right to the hip, and you're using your lower abs to contract. Are we ready? Here we go. Focus. 3, 2, 1, lift. Now go at your own pace. Really focus on the core. Now tie it right here. Really focus on the lower abs. Fingers are going to be nice and strong. Neck is long, pulling from the core. Exhaling every time it comes up. So I'm going to ask you to go a little higher in the leg. So as you get stronger, you can take it a little higher. Try to come up to your belly button, not just your head. Okay, keep moving. Exhale in. Exhale in. Good job. Keep focusing. Okay, 4, 3, 2. Now we're going to start to add a jump here. Jump. 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 Okay? Contract. Okay, keep contracting. Keep moving. Now Ariel right here. She's jumping, landing softly. And as you can see, obliques are working. All of your abs are working here. Neck is long, arms are straight, fingertips tight, and she's breathing in, exhaling. She comes through and landing softly. Keep pushing. Hands here, making sure you're tight. 4, keep going. 3, 2, and shake it out. All right, guys, good job. Now, we're gonna go through all of these exercises one more time. Now it's about repetition. Stay safe, stay strong, land softly. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, jog it out. All right.